Hi guys, nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Guys, today again something al bacio. I'm going to make lamb liver sandwich with anchovies, mushroom and spinach. It's absolutely delicious. You need a lot of ingredients, but it's very quickly to build up. The taste is amazing. I'm gonna show you what we need. Of course, ask your butcher some lamb liver. We have some plain flour here. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do. Spinach, mushroom, peanuts, mint, chili if you like, some onion, soft cheese, Dijon mustard, some lemon. I'm gonna use some lemon in the Dijon mustard, dried tomato, a little touch of red wine, butter and anchovies. What we're gonna do, we make some space. Alors, first thing, I put the liver in the bag with flour. Check, 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 baby! Take the whole flour. You know, there's one, there's two, there's three, and this is the liver. And we put on the side, okay? I'm gonna use one ciabatta bread, but you can use any bread you like. A little touch of salt, olive oil in the pan, and done. I do first the bread, wanna be nice and crispy. I chop the anchovies, just like that. That's it. Dry tomatoes as well. See? If you like this video, share with friends, subscribe to the channel and check our website cookingwithanitalian.com. This side, yeah. And now a little bit from the other side. Few seconds. The bread is ready. And we put here on side. We add a little bit of olive oil. And we go in with the anchovies and the dry tomatoes. That oil the anchovies put inside, it stays flavor. We add some chili, mushroom, mint, spinach. The peanuts we have here, put a nice amount. Black pepper, not too much salt, because the anchovies they salty. Chop the onion, just rough, like that. Put inside. Leave it to cook really. If need some water, you can put some water, or if you have some stock, you can put stock. I have a little bit stock left the other day, and I use that. Now we're gonna half cook this, and later we're going with the liver. We leave it to cook 5-6 minutes. When it is down, I'm gonna show you the next one. We can add some lemon juice in the Dijon mustard. That's why we need the lemon. It's already the smell and the color is amazing. Look at that. Now we take out from the flame, butter inside, create that sauce. Oh, fantastic. Guys, now we take this and we put it on the side. We're gonna finish to cook again a little touch later. A little touch of oil. And go in. And the fourth one. And we leave it to cook around 2-3 minutes per side. It's time to turn. The other touch of butter we put in, the other chili. Okay guys, now it's time that we add some wine. Oh, look at that. We leave it to evaporate everything. I want to show you when you have something like this later. I don't know if you like or don't like, but this is done, okay? We take again out. and we leave it to cook another few minutes, and later we gonna eat the sandwich. The liver, just to cook a little bit more. Now we build this sandwich. First thing, I put some soft cheese, Philadelphia, any soft cheese you like, eh? Dijon Mustard with lemon juice. It's so soft, guys. The liver is here, the veg. Guys, this is a masterpiece. Wow. Put on the top. Is another masterpiece. Whoa, this is absolutely wow. My lamb liver sandwich with anchovies, spinach and mushroom is this. Always, guys, if you like, finger up and follow us. Ciao!